Okay, so how to find your password on Windows 10 or 11? Click on Start menu and type here Control Panel. So click on the Control Panel. Here you should change view by category and click on Network and Internet. Here you should click on Network and Sharing Center. And here you can see connections, and it's your Wi-Fi network name. Usually click on it, and in a new window please click on wireless properties. Yes, and here you can see security tab. So in security tab we can see show characters. So click on it, and here in network security key you will see your Wi-Fi password. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe.